Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick unboxing for this bed that I'm about to put together. Well, I already unboxed all the pieces, as you can see. I'm going to bring you through all the parts and pieces that is included. This is the black linen color, and out the gates, this thing looks really nice and high quality. So if you come up closer, you can see the material is very nice. Right, it's got nice channel tufting, nice straight lines here, and the material altogether is just really high quality. So I would definitely give it the thumbs up on that end. Here you have the footboard. These two here are the wing backs for the bed. These right here are the side rails, these four. You can see that they are clearly numbered 6-1, 6-2, 5-1, 5-2. Down here you have the wooden slats, and then these two right here, probably the most important parts of the bed, which are the metal frame. The combination of the metal frame and the wood slats are really good combination when it comes to stability. These are solid wood slats, and this is high grade steel. These two right here are plastic attachments, and on top of it you can see that it has Velcro, so I assume that this Velcro is going to attach to the Velcro right here on the wooden slats. Here are the two feet that are going to go on the bottom of the footboard. Nice wood feet right here, and then the top part right here is of high grade steel as well. I think it's going to be a nice contrast between this wood color and the black linen, so can't wait to see how it all looks together once it's all done. And then last but not least, we have the instruction manual, and we have all of the hardware parts that are all individually organized. And this is a major plus too as well, because that means you're not going to have to be organizing all your hardware before you get the assembly started.
I'm going to share with you the #1 tip to help you successfully assemble this upholstered platform bed so that you can enjoy it safely and securely after the assembly is complete. So the #1 tip to assembling this bed properly is to finger tighten the bolts before finally fully tightening them. This bed only uses bolts for hardware, which means that the furniture parts cannot be restricted since the bolts need to fit exactly into the threaded hole that it's to hold. So in order to seamlessly get the bolts to fit, all of the furniture parts need to be loose. Now, there will be many people in reviews that may complain that certain parts aren't lining up, and 99% of the time, it's because they have over-tightened a bolt and it's restricting the furniture from properly aligning to corresponding holes. So do exactly as you see me here, installing each bolt by first finger tightening all of them before fully tightening them. This will ensure that all the parts are even and that the bed sits level to the floor. Now, if you follow this tip, then your bed will look like this. Doing a quick review for this upholstered platform bed, and my initial reaction after the assembly is that this bed is awesome. First and foremost, the linen material used for this bed is exceptional quality. It really feels authentic, and the upholstery is tightly stitched to the padding underneath it, so it doesn't feel loose or flimsy at all. And as I rub the upholstery, it doesn't feel like it will easily fray or become cheap looking, so I think they did a really good job with the linen upholstery. And here, you can see the vertical channel tufted stitching has deep definition and is just as advertised in my opinion. Now the wing back is super sleek. Typically, these wing backs are a bit thicker, but this one has a much more elegant and modern appeal to it. But overall, I think the headboard is gorgeous, and if you like clean lines and mid-century modern design overall, then this bed may just be what you're looking for. Now this bed is built on a very sturdy frame. For one, you have a strong metal base going through and through the bed. And then on top of the metal base are sturdy, solid wood slats on which your mattress will lay on. There's no box spring needed for this bed, just a nice and comfy mattress of your choosing. Now as for the assembly, it took me just about an hour to complete from unboxing to assembling using an electric drill and following the instructions step by step. But the average person can expect anywhere between 1 and 3 hours for the assembly. This of course will vary depending on your skill set and the tools that you use, such as an automatic drill versus the manual Allen key that they provide. They also do a pretty good job with the manual. They use blown up illustrations to show correct part numbers and proper orientation of the pieces as you are assembling them. And they do this throughout the instructions to make the assembly as seamless as possible. And all of the hardware comes pre-organized, which is a major plus because this means that you don't have to do any of the hardware organizing yourself before you begin the assembly. But overall, I really like this upholstered platform bed. The linen material is great quality, it has a sturdy metal and solid wood frame that is built to last, there's no box spring required, and the assembly is straightforward. So I highly recommend this bed. So go ahead, check it out, and happy shopping.